Children, now we will see construction of a triangle when length of three sides are given. That is, the first type of construction, to construct a triangle given the lengths of its three sides. Let us do solved example first. Draw triangle XYZ such that length XY is 6 cm, length YZ is 4 cm and length XZ is 5 cm. See children, first we will draw rough figure quickly here and we will try to show the information as accurately as possible. Now here from the longest side. So we will take it as the base. Also while drawing the rough figure we will try to show it as the longest side in the diagram. So now take any measure, draw segment XY, give it the name as segment XY as 6 cm. Now from vertex X you will draw XZ, that is of 5 cm. Here we are drawing the rough diagram, so we are not taking here the exact measurement. We are just planning the steps to draw the fair diagram. Now here YZ is 4 cm. So from vertex Y we will draw the segment. We will join it here with Z. This will be 4 cm. Now for the exact figure, we will first draw segment XY of 6 cm. Take a ruler. Now from 0, draw it up to 6, that is 6 cm. Everyone is able to see here. Give the name here XY. Write here 6 cm. Now to draw segment of 5 cm, we will take a ruler and a compass. Adjust your compass for 5 cm. Everyone knows, put the needle end on 0. Stretch your compass till 5. Now here it is 5 cm. Now put the needle end on vertex X. Give the arc here like this. This is of 5 cm. Now we have to draw 4 cm segment YZ. For that we will again adjust a compass using ruler. Put the needle end on 0 and now adjust it up to 4 so that the distance between both the ends of compass should be 4 cm. Now put it on vertex Y. Give the arc like this. Now if you join this intersecting point with vertex X as well as with vertex Y, you will get a triangle. Now hold the ruler like this. Now from X up to this intersecting point and from Y up to the intersecting point, you will get a triangle. Now give the name this vertex as Z. Now we know segment XZ is 5 cm, so we will write it here and segment. Now this is the required triangle given in the example. So we will write here triangle XYZ is the required triangle. In the same way, we have to do the construction in practice set. So we will start with first example of practice set. In this again, practice set 2, first question, draw triangles with the measures given below. In this example, AB is 5.5 cm, length BC is 4.2 cm and length AC is 3.5 cm. Again, all the lengths or length of all the sides is different in this example. Let us draw rough diagram. Now, which is the longest side here? It is 5.5 cm. So we will show it as the biggest one in our rough diagram. Take any measure. Draw here length AB as 5.5 cm. Then from vertex A, will you draw segment BC from vertex A or segment AC from vertex A? Naturally segment AC from vertex A. So from this vertex you will get a segment of 3.5 cm. Draw here like this, write here 3.5 cm. And then this will be the vertex C. So you will join B and C and you will write here 4 cm. This is the vertex C. So this is the diagram. Now we will draw the exact figure for the given measurement. From this rough diagram, it is clear you have to first draw segment AB of 5.5 centimeter. So take your ruler, from 0 draw up to 5, that is 5 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Now give the name to this segment. It is segment AB. The measure of this segment is 5.5 centimeter. So we will write it there. Now we have to draw segment AC of length 3.5 centimeter. So take a compass, put the needle end on 0 and adjust the pencil end up to 3.5 on your ruler, like this. Now the distance between pencil end and needle end is 3.5 centimeter. I think everyone is able to see it here. Now put the needle end on vertex A and give the arc of 3.5 centimeter like this. Now we have to give the arc of 4.2 centimeter from the vertex B. So now again we will adjust it using ruler. Put the needle end on 0, stretch it up to 4.2 on your ruler. Now this is 4.2. Now put the needle end on vertex B, give the arc like this. Join this intersecting point with vertex A and then again this intersecting point with vertex B using ruler. Now the name of this vertex is C. Now length AC is 3.5 centimeter that we have already drawn. So you will write the measurement of segment AC as well as measurement of segment BC, that is 4.2 centimeter. Now this is the required triangle. So we will write here triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now we will see second example of question 1, that is B. In triangle STU, length ST is 7 centimeter, length TU is 4 centimeter and length SU is 5 centimeter. Again in this example, length of all the three sides are different. That is, it is again a scalene triangle. Again, the longest side is segment ST. So we will take it as the base. Also we will show it as the longest side in our rough diagram. Take any measure here. Write it as ST 7 centimeter. Now we will draw TU. So TU will come from the vertex T. So this side will be TU. It is of 4 centimeter. SU will be drawn from vertex S. So here you will put the scale and draw it like this. This side will be of 5 centimeter. And the vertex you are getting here is U. See, TU is 4 centimeter, SU is 5 centimeter. Now we got the rough diagram for the given example. Now we will draw segment of 7 centimeter as the base first. From 0 up to 7, you will draw a segment of 7 centimeter. Here the name of this segment is ST. So you will give the name here ST 7 centimeter. Now we have to give the arcs of 4 centimeter. So again take a compass and ruler. Put your needle end on 0. Stretch your compass or pencil end up to 5. So you will get 5 centimeter in your compass. Put the needle end on vertex S and give the arc like this. Now we have to give arc of 4 centimeter from vertex T. So again take your ruler and your compass. Put the needle end on 0 and take the measure up to 4 centimeter on your ruler. Now put the needle end on T. Give the arc here like this. This is of 4 centimeter. Now join it. This segment is of 5 centimeter and this segment you are getting here is of 4 centimeter. Now write the measures here. This is of 5 centimeter and this is of 4 centimeter and name of this vertex is U. So now you will write here triangle STU is the required triangle. Now we will see third example of question 1. In triangle PQR, length PQ is 6 cm, length QR is 3.8 cm and length PR is 4.5 cm. Again, length of all the three sides are different. That is, again we have to draw a scalene triangle here. For that, we will first draw the rough diagram. Here, length PQ is 6 cm. We will take it as the base. Also, we will show it as the longest side in our rough diagram. Now, name of this segment is PQ. So, we will write here PQ of 6 cm. Now, we will draw QR of 3.8 cm. So, from vertex Q, we have to draw QR of 3.8 cm. And PR is of 4.5. So, we will draw the segment from PR. It is 4.5 cm. Name of this vertex will be R, because length PR is 4.5 and QR is 3.8 cm. Now let us draw the exact figure for the given measurement. First we have to draw segment PQ of 6 cm. So from 0 up to 6 you will draw segment of 6 cm. We will give name PQ to this segment. Right here the measure of the given segment. Now we have to draw PR of length 4.5 cm. So take a ruler, take a compass, bring the needle end on 0 and pencil end on 4.5. Give the arc like this. Now we have to draw arc of 3.8 cm from vertex Q. So put the needle end 3.8. It means 8th small line between 3 and 4. So from 0 up to 3.8 able to see. You have to take exact measurement for the given diagram. And on vertex Q, give the arc here like this. Now we will join this intersecting point with P and this intersecting with Q. You have to use ruler for drawing straight lines. Name of this vertex is R. Measure of this segment is 4.5 cm. So we will write it here. Length of this segment is 3.8 cm. So we will write the measure of this segment here. Now here we got the triangle PQR. So we will write triangle PQR is the required triangle. Children, you all have to do all these constructions using sharp pointed pencil.